Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to be giving you my 3/4 month lock update. I was 4 months locked on August 11th. I totally missed my 3rd month because life was happening, you guys. So the first thing I want to do is start talking about some of the products that I've been using, and I don't use a lot obviously because my hair is locked and we don't really need all the products, but I still use a couple and they're nothing fancy. I don't even think I should call them products, more like things that I use for my hair. I think that's more accurate. The main product that I've been using on my hair is water. I can't say enough about water. Water's just good for you all around, you know, put it on everything. It's the new coconut oil. Let's just put it that way. Water's good for everything. I just spray my hair at night. I spray it in the morning. I spray it whenever I want to spray it. Just give it a nice little spritz. It adds a little bit of moisture to my hair, and I just keep it moving. The other thing I've been using a lot of is my DIY hair growth oil, and there's really nothing fancy in here. It's literally castor oil, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, and something else. I can't remember what else is in there, but it's about 4 or 5 ingredients, nothing fancy. And I've just been using this for a long time now. I've been using this since before I locked my hair. And if you guys don't believe me, this is what my edges used to look like. And this is what my edges look like now. So they have grown in. I am so excited. I am so excited. The other 2 products I've been using is just my shampoos, and I've been using the Trader Joe's Tea Tree Tingle or the VO5 Detox with Micellar Water. It's the purifying shampoo, and I bought this because it's a purifying shampoo. In my first couple of videos, I was using the herbal essences, and I don't know, it just wasn't cleansing my hair as a shampoo. It almost felt like I was putting conditioner on my hair, and I really didn't like that. Let's move on and start talking about what has been going on with my hair. So the major thing that I've been noticing is that a lot of my ends are unraveling. And I know I'm always talking about this in my videos, but I finally listened and I started to braid the ends of my hair. They're still unraveling, you guys. I'm like, oh my gosh, what is happening? I don't know, maybe my hair just doesn't want to lock at the ends. I don't know. That's been my major issue when it comes on to my hair. My ends are unraveling no matter how much I braid them back and try to do all these the things that you guys suggested. I even tried doing like locking the root itself. I don't know, I'm having a hard time with that, but I'm not gonna overstressed because everyone's lock journey is different. The other thing I'm noticing a lot of is bunching or budding. I'm not really sure which one is which. I saw a couple of YouTube videos trying to figure out what it was, and I was still a little bit confused. So I don't actually have any pictures of it because I went through and I was doing some lock repair, and I just kind of tucked them back in and let them do their own thing. So I'm not really sure if I'm bunching or budding, but something's happening with my locks. I don't hate it. I do like it. I just wanted to put a public service announcement out there. If you are going to start your Microlocs with twists like I did, I want you to remember that your sizes need to be as clean and as neat and as even as possible. I thought my sizes were even, and that was a lie, because now that my hair is like starting to swell and do its own thing, I can see so many inconsistencies with my sizing. So I'll have like a really tiny lock here, and then right behind it there's like a bigger one. So initially I'd gone through and I started unlocking my hair, trying to fix them, but I found that as I was unlocking, I was just ripping my hair out. So I actually unlocked one and ended up re-twisting it because I lost that much hair that I couldn't even split it into 2 locks. So just remember that, keep that in mind, that make sure that your sizing is precise as possible or as even as possible, because you don't want inconsistencies in your lock sizes. The other big thing that I'm noticing is that my hair is starting to shrink up a lot more. So I have it in a ponytail. Yeah, wait, hold on. But the ponytail, look at the ponytail. Guys, I was like, okay. Okay. Ponytail. I have my hair up in a ponytail right now, and it tends to stretch my hair. And I've been on a no stretch journey, but it's hot and my hair just needed to be out my face. So I've been on a no stretch journey and just trying to enjoy my hair and allowing it to curl up and kink up in its own way. But I find that once I put my hair in some kind of ponytail or scrunchie or half up, half down, it stretches my hair, and then I have to like spray my hair all over again because my hair's not locked yet, so it's still stretching. But it's not the worst thing in the world. Like I said, these are little things that are more annoying than anything else. So if you're going through these things, I think just write it out. You'll be okay. It's not that big of a deal. Now, this was gross. And I was like, I really thought about this. I'm like, am I really going to put this on social media? Much less YouTube. But I am. For some reason, my locks are starting to hold like, I don't want to say a funky smell, because when I wash my hair is clean, and you know, my hair is clean. But I'm noticing that maybe as I'm getting closer to my hair needing to be washed, I'm like, is that my hair? Now, disclaimer, I am very active. I'm always out doing something, playing tennis, running, walking, swimming, something. I'm always doing something. So I think I know for a fact that I sweat in my head. So that could be what it is. But I know a lot of girls that say they don't wash their hair until like a month or something like that. And I'm like, how do you do that, sis? How? Like by 2 weeks, my head is funky and it gotta be washed. So I don't know, is that normal? One of the last things I'll probably be talking about, because I don't think I have anything else to talk about, which is why I didn't do a 3-month mid video, because I just didn't think it was necessary. I really can't say enough about just the hair freedom and being able to up and go and put your hair in a ponytail, put a hat on, put a headband on, leave your hair out, spray it with water, whatever you want to do, and just keep it moving. And it's also versatile enough that if you want to try natural hairstyles on it, you can braid your hair, you can box braid your hair. I don't want to try that, but you can do that. You can do twist outs, braid outs, Bantu knot outs. I'll link my video out there for that down below. There's so many different things that you can do with your hair, wigs, weaves. I see so many people do things with their hair, but just even if you didn't want to do any of that, just tying your hair at night, putting your satin cap on, going to sleep, waking up in the morning, give it a little shake, and you're good to go. I have yet to regret locking my hair, so I'm just saying, you know, like if you're thinking about it and you're on the edge, you know, just put that in mind. Like, especially if you struggle with your natural hair like I used to, and boy, it was a struggle. If you struggle with your natural hair, think about it. And if you struggle with your natural hair and you've been thinking about locking your hair, just think about it in the terms of freedom. I'm not saying it's easier, because it's definitely not. Between the retightening and making sure that you're not doing anything crazy to unravel your locks and all of that, it does take a lot of work. The maintenance part of it still needs to be there. Like, you don't just lock your hair and walk away. Like, no, it's not over. All right, guys, that is it for this video. So if you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.